Today, we will be discussing the step-by-step process of freezing watermelon. Whether you want to enjoy a refreshing treat on a hot summer day or preserve the juicy fruit for later use, freezing watermelon is a fantastic option. Join us as we take you through the simple methods to freeze watermelon and unlock its deliciousness whenever you desire. Hi there, I am Jack, a food enthusiast from blogging Good Food. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated with my latest videos. Method 1. Cubes. Alright, let's dive right into our first method for freezing watermelon. Here's what you will need. Step 1. Wash and slice the watermelon. Step 2. Cut the slices into small bite-sized cubes. Step 3. Place the watermelon cubes on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure they are not touching each other. Step 4. Put the baking sheet in the freezer for about 2 hours or until the watermelon cubes are completely frozen. Step 5. Once frozen, transfer the watermelon cubes into a freezer-safe bag or container and put them back in the freezer. Tip: for the best flavor and texture, select a ripe watermelon that feels heavy and has vibrant color. The sweetness of the watermelon will be more pronounced when it's frozen. Method 2. Watermelon Popsicles. Method number 2 is perfect if you prefer your frozen watermelon on a stick. Here's how you can make watermelon popsicles. Step 1. Wash and slice the watermelon just like in the previous method. Step 2. Cut the watermelon slices into triangular shapes or use popsicle molds if you have them. Step 3. Insert a popsicle stick into each watermelon slice. Step 4. Place the watermelon popsicles on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and put them in a freezer for about 3 to 4 hours or until they are completely frozen. Step 5. Once frozen, remove the watermelon popsicles from the baking sheet and store them in a freezer-safe bag or container. Note: remember, freezing watermelon can slightly alter its texture, but it remains a delicious and healthy treat. Enjoy the taste of summer all year around with frozen watermelon. So, give it a try and let us know in the comments which method you prefer. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious recipes and helpful cooking tips. Stay cool everyone, and we will see you next time.